How to use keyframe animation in VN Video Editor. Want to create smooth animations in VN Video Editor? Let's explore keyframe animation. First, open your project and tap the element or clip you want to animate. Scroll down and select the keyframe option. Move the playhead on the timeline to where you want to set the first keyframe. Then adjust the element's position, scale, or opacity. Slide the playhead forward, then change the element's properties again to add another keyframe. BN will animate the changes between these points automatically, creating smooth motion. Add multiple keyframes for more complex animations and preview often to get the timing right. Tried keyframe animation before? Share your experience in the comments below. And that's how you can use keyframe animation in VN Video Editor. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.